The FoodSaver VS3000 keeps food fresh up to 5 times longer. It's easy to use. Simply open, place the open end of the bag inside the drip tray, and you're ready to go. The air is then vacuumed out through the FoodSaver bag's uniquely designed channels and into the vacuum chamber. As the air is removed, the bag acts as a skin, so air, moisture, and freezer burn can't get in. When the optimal amount of air is removed, FoodSaver's airtight multi-layer bag is heat-sealed, preventing oxidation and preserving the freshness and taste of your food longer. The removable drip tray is easy to clean. Plus, the roll storage and cutter bar let you make custom-sized bags. A handheld sealer is also included for sealing FoodSaver containers, zipper bags, and accessories. Keep food fresh up to 5 times longer with the FoodSaver VS3000. Start sealing today.